Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm continuing my series where I go through an essential oil company's website and go through the things that I look for when I'm checking quality to make sure the brand is up to my standards. So I'm going to go through Revive's website. I've done a few random brands, but for this week, I'm doing the brands that I use and love just to show you, instead of red flags, some green flags, things to look for when you're shopping for essential oil. So today we're doing Revive. I'm going to share it here and we're just going to go through their website. So before I start though, let me know which brand you want me to put on this list to do. And also my guides are available in my Stan store. I will link them down below. So if you need information on allergies or essential oils with dogs or hormones or anything like that, I have a bunch of different guides. So make sure you check those out. This is Revive, and it's hard for me to find things I don't like about them, but I'm going to try to stay neutral. So they have free shipping and returns on all US and Canada orders. I hate paying shipping. That's a big pro. That doesn't have anything to do with the quality though. So we have shop, compared to MLMs, reviews, frequently asked questions, blog, contact, and login. So let's go to, first of all, let's scroll through this. So we have essential oils, and I love their labels. They're just easy to read and simple and minimalistic. So no middleman. They have a guarantee. They test their oils. So they offer free returns because they have this guarantee. So return your unopened bottles for a free refund within 100 days. No questions asked. That's amazing. So quality, you can see, feel, and smell. Pure, sustainably sourced, bottled in the USA, steam distillation process, cruelty-free. They test quality and community focus, which I do think. And then this is cool because these are some of the ingredients that people use, like the cheap brands on Amazon. They will use these to create or produce more essential oil for cheap. So grown indigenously, I can't say it. They're grown natively and no middleman. So they're big on that. They're big on comparing themselves to LMs just because there's no reason to pay that price. I'm sorry, for essential oils. They're so overpriced. So let's go to their frequently asked questions. Are Revive oils 100% pure? They're therapeutic grade. I can't speak today. Yes, we use oils on ourselves. So with this, I wish they just would have said therapeutic doesn't mean anything. It's not an industry standard. Oh, I really can't speak. It's a marketing term. So they do say they are 100% pure therapeutic grade, which just means that they're not adulterated and they are pure. What third-party tests does Revive conduct? So this I love because they go way in depth. They have 20 different measures, which is incredible. And I love this part. So it goes over each one and how and why or what it tests. So you can read through that too, but Dr. Pappas is the one that performs the third-party testing. So a couple of things I look for: transparency, which they clearly already have. Are they educating us? So they do have a blog. I'll go to that in a second. Do they third-party test? Because there is a company that I just did recently that is testing in-house. So the third-party test is just another layer of transparency where you just have to trust that those in-house testing are what they say they are, because they could just make up whatever they want. Anyways, they do test, and Dr. Pappas is a super great resource. So look him up if you haven't followed him already. As a Facebook page, he does reviews on different brands like this as well, a lot on safety. So they do 20 different tests. So it's amazing. Money back guarantee. Are they organic? All Revive oils are wild crafted or organic. So no pesticides, no chemicals, and done organically. Are Revive oils safe to ingest? They are the best quality. Ingesting is it's a tricky subject, and I don't like how freely they are with it. It does not make sense how loosey-goose they are with ingestion. It should be done with intention and for a short period of time and diluted. And I don't know if they do say oils are potent. A little goes a long way. Then they have a full list so each one, it'll say if it can be. So this is a really good reference, whether or not that specific oil can be tested. So they do give safety, but just they don't give an abundance of safety, I guess, if that makes sense. So why is Revive cheaper? I'm not paying a bunch of middle people. Yearly fee, no. Shipping is free. International shipping info is there if you need to see that. So that's the transparency and quality info that I need and I am happy with. What else was I going to go over before? Oh, this compared to MLMs tab. they do have, and this is helpful because at first I was a Young Living person and I had my Dries or Joy and Thieves. All of my favorites they compare to, and then you can click to their version of whatever oil it is. So that's really helpful. I have this one and it's spot on. It smells amazing. Oh, did it not show? Sorry. It went to the Joy page. Let me see it now. There's Joy. So yeah, then we stopped sharing altogether. I will get this one day, I promise. So any other brand that you like, whether it's Young Living or doTERRA. Where was doTERRA? Here, I scrolled too fast. These are all the doTERRA blends. And then they have Revive signature blends. So they have blends that are trademark or whatever to them. Oh, and then you can click here if you want to print this out to have as a reference guide. You can, it's all together. So reviews, they have so many reviews. And then shop. So when I look also, I need to see product page, the listing for the essential oil, and it needs to have, well, on the bottle, so you can see the bottle, it needs to have the Latin name right here, so Lavandula angustifolia, and then for aromatic, topical, or dietary use. So they do list or label their oils for supplement use. That is just their preference and what they do. I do feel like they need to have more safety, like I said. So they're grown exclusively in fertile grounds of Bulgaria. So where it's from, Latin name, grown oh my goodness, why do I keep trying to say that? Indigenously. Some uses and then facts. So I love this too. Simply Earth is similar to this. It has scientific name, the origin of whatever part of plant it comes from. So lavender is from the flowering tops. It's steam distilled. It's floral, fruity, sweet. It's a medium odor. So they don't have the specific number, but they do have. So when you're blending factor would be something else you could look for. This is a medium one. So also later in perfumery, lavender is going to be a middle note. It's thin. It's from Bulgaria. Oh my gosh. And then what it blends well with, which lavender blends well with almost everything. Where was the safety? There we go. So safety, generally non-irritating and non-sensitizing. So I'm going to keep that in mind, and then I'm going to check another one because I want specific safety info. So this is the GCMS testing, and they have, oh, this is so much easier. Is this showing you? It's not. Hold on one sec. Share this tab. When you click on that, it gives you dates. Simply Earth didn't have their dates labeled or listed right next to, and that made it a little bit harder. But so this is really easy. You can click here. Are we still sharing? Good. This is the test. It's from July of 2023. And then it has the information. It should have the right here comments. The analysis meets the expected chemical profile. No contamination or adulteration was detected. My goodness. So let's see if we can go back to the other tab now. That it's just super easy to see their test. And so I really appreciate that. And they need to have current. So the date was 2023, but that might have just been when they got their last huge batch of it. I'm not sure. But the fact that they had that many and then listed with dates, that's what I'm looking for. What else? So I'm going to check again here if they have, so I'm just going to go to lemon. I went to bergamot also. Just looking to see if they have that specific safety info. They do. So safe for children under parent supervision. Avoid contact with eyes. Is this sharing? Sensitive areas, inner ear is insensitive. If you're pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or having a medical condition, consult prior to use. Avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying. And then I'll just click to theirs too. And they have their last GCMS reports from December of 2023, so just a couple months ago, and they have 15 listed there. So, okay. So I think that's it. That's all I really wanted to cover. Let me know what other brands you want me to do for this series, and let me know what else you guys look for when you're researching an essential oil company. Let's start a conversation down below too. Another thing that I look for is, do they have an aromatherapist? Do they have education? And I didn't go over that, but Revive is all about education. Their Instagram is huge on that and sharing recipes and safety. So they are very transparent in that way. I really want brands to educate and to share the aromatherapy side of essential oils because some just don't. The link to Shop Revive will be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.